no one trouble, but when trouble come, I go chase down with my full heart. This is trouble, trouble in the palace. Princess come see, wahala in the palace. This not trouble, trouble in the palace. Wahala, wahala in the palace.
I am in charge now. And as the person in charge.
If one of my eyes closed, say I want sleep, you know say my name we can't see. This guy na wero under my wash. Then you want to strife man. Are they mad?
You must do everything I say. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So my first assignment is there are some persons in this kingdom that does not deserve your services. Some do.
My princess.
Would you?
My princess.
From today henceforth, you both will no longer follow Kamsi, the tout, or whatever she goes by around. Is that understood?
Yes, my princess.
What did they worry when another craze? No, they get to themselves at all. I mean, they're not giving a home training. Why not need that? Eh? What do you make need that? Are you telling me they need that? Wait, I don't understand. Now they need that for men, woman, being. I don't know God. When I go need that for her. When they need that for. When I stand up from there.
Excuse me.
Huh?
Can't you see I'm talking? When I talk, they don't stand. They kneel because I am the princess.
No,
of
because
this kingdom.
you be oracle where they serve now. Or you be almighty God where they go need and they give. You get pride though. You too get pride. And that pride then go destroy you. I think they hear. Because if you say they pay them small chicken change as salary, you can just they control them. What I stand up for there? Mona, come on for there.
My princess, please, we would like to kneel down.
Yes. Yes, my princess. We would like to kneel down. We are not complaining. We are just paying respect.
You have no power, no efficacy or whatsoever in this kingdom. You are a nobody.
You know until they worry you say, your body, they do you like say you don't arrive, whereas you never arrive. See, I'm saying that if your mama did, now you they get power. But I don't know, say as your mama come out, say wings don't enter your body and you don't they fly a bit. I don't blame all these people when no one stand up. They don't get sense. Because that's how poor men they behave. Poor men, they're ready to lick rich man nyash for salary when they pay them. They don't know about their dignity. Let me what they happen for this country. I'm not saying that. If I want need that, if I need that. Why are they go see my guy you understand? We go hunting this night. So in case I don't come back, when you don't feel bad, you get.
You can go to hell for like
This is trouble, trouble in the palace. Princess come see, wahala in the palace. This not trouble, trouble in the
you urchins are so lucky. If you had dared me, I would have butchered you bitches like animals. Get out! Ah!
Ada, to be honest, I'm sick and tired of this guy. He come to our shop, he follow me to the home, keep on disturbing me. I'm tired of him, I'm tired.
Really?
Yes.
Ezenaya is doing all of this.
Yes.
Follows you everywhere, to the market, to your house. This is serious. Do you know that Ezenaya is married?
I'm confused. I don't even know what to do.
You don't know what to do?
Yes.
Go and tell his wife now.
That's him. Please.
So now, what do you intend to do?
Ada, I have tried all my best. I'm tired. Ezenaya even tell me that he's going to divorce his wife.
Isigene?
Yes, he's going to
He wants to divorce his wife and marry you. That is to say that Ezenaya made a mistake by marrying his wife.
Let him stick to his mistake.
And now he wants to correct it and marry you. Is it not a good thing? Congratulations, my friend. Soon to be bride.
I'm not ready.
Well, you know say pepper not the day of pepper soup. Put pepper.
Not be everyone they like pepper. If you don't want to do, make they go.
If they get us and my business, they add pepper, you get bad mouth.
I know what your trouble here. Make they go.
Now this is your bad mouth to make you never blow. Don't you know?
Blow.
Customer is always right. They talk rubbish. You know say you be fool.
I know.
Your middle name na compound idiot.
Yeah, now, but you are my friend.
How many years now we don't be friends? Friends, they call me your friend. Maybe you don't tell women you be friend.
Don't tell now.
Okay.
Remember.
Now, why you go they report me, give you way because of 5,000 naira bushmeat?
See,
where is the friendship?
No, it's not my intention to go and report to the Igwe. But you self check am. How many times don't collect 5,000 from me? I'll give 5,000. I say go bring bushmeat. I'll give 5,000. I go bring bushmeat. And you know say that my business. If they calculate all the 5,000 I don't give you, don't pass 50,000.
Life is unpredictable.
But besides that, now my wife now instigate me say make I go, my pull and go report to the Igwe.
My wife push you. One day that your wife go put you for trouble. As anything when your wife talk, you go do am. You abandon our friendship of many years and reported me. Now you're telling me it's your wife. So if your wife say, come beat me, you come beat me.
Oh, Mona, I don't do. I don't hear. See, I want to ask you. This comes again. Now this girl only do like this. Now you won't marry as wife.
God forbid. Who tell you say I won't marry comes?
And the way you come see bushmeat, you and bushmeat, you are going to they use your business to they play. I don't understand.
That's rubbish. Kamsi is just a friend, and it ends there.
But I know the see future for there. I come to now about it. Be again, no be like who go make better wife for you. I beg, how far bushmeat?
Give me hero now, madam.
Yes, who is that? I said, who is that?
My princess.
Yes, what is
Who
it?
is here?
Okay. Tell him to wait for me downstairs.
Okay, my princess.
Hello, my sugar daddy. You're here.
Yes.
I believe you know your way upstairs. Oh, come on, don't mind my sister. She has gone for hunting. Yes. You can walk her up. Slowly. I'm hot for you. Come on, just play your part well and you will continue to have this sexy body. I'll be waiting for you. I want you to make your head spin this night. I will give it to your heart. Ige boom kwa no. Okwa baby girl. I'm waiting for you in my room. Call me baby. Call me baby. Are you enjoying it?
Chakam.
I locked the door.
I know say you go lock door. I dey inside bedroom.
Oh.
I was ahead of you. I know say you get evil thing where you want to do. I plan ahead.
Sis, sister. Sis.
Just see the camera where they follow. In this thing, no, they smell you.
Sis, let's talk woman to woman.
No.
Sister to sister.
No, not guy man. You know if you talk woman to woman, a taboo. Na man I be the guy man. You say more talk man to woman.
Baba! Sis, please. Sis, don't go. Please. Sis, please. I beg you. Sis, don't go.
mess up. Woo! Okay, what do I do? They need to kill the work. What do I do?
No one trouble, but when trouble come, I go chase down with my full heart. Yeah. This is trouble in the palace.
Family, they call me sis. Now, guy, man, I did.
First, you first send men come meet me. You send they come meet me. As the men come, and they see me be OG. When the men come, and they see me now OG now. Now the men they double now. They don't say I worry babe there and then they do something. Then they calm down. So that one don't reach you. You call someone sort of snake when you become change. You can't go back. Go strategize. Can't go me to know who. You can't go sleep with to know who. Come over here. You not sleep with to know who. Make you know who for turn my papa head so that he go pursue me for this palace. Your mama plan. Now start to talk. I don't feel reduce my voice. My voice they loud naturally. What is your problem?
Thank you. It was a mistake.
Lefaka! Mistake finish you there. It was a mistake. If you know they catch you, I they tell you. You know they see. Make I tell you this girl. You see this your bad character. You know get where I go lead you. You dey hear me? Hey! So you dey humble like this? Chetachi, see make I tell now. For you see those people wey dey very proud. If you want catch them, make sure say you catch them. Say that they do bad thing. Once you just catch them with their evil thing wey they do, they go humble. So because they catch you now, you come humble. So this humility there, your body, you know they bring and come out. For today henceforth.
Sister, my blood. Your blood.
On today henceforth, you dey hear me? You no go to talk to anybody anyhow for this palace again. Put your hand like this. Prayer. You go humble like Pontius Pilate. What I talk?
Humble like Pontius Pilate.
Yes. You go. You see. Put your hand because I never see you pray for this palace. So I come.
I will begin praying.
If you dare like that, you no go to talk to any of the mates or guards anyhow. Nobody you go to disrespect anyhow. In short, in the morning, you will greet everybody before they greet you. You dey hear me? Yes. And if you say you no go do am, you see as our papa day cabinet meeting. If you all day cabinet meeting like this, I will all play your blue, the bad thing where you do, I go just play am for. Yeah, I know what they do. I be my sister, how you take manage? How you take manage sleep to know? Oh no, who get body odor? It's something they stand. Cause that the way they wear is something like a reader.
I was about to find out.
Hey! My sister they eat shit. I think say you get man when one marry you, date serious relationship, the boy there abroad. I mean your own boyfriend is something no they stand. Oh! You never marry, you don't cheat. You never cheat with your boy, a married man. Oh no, where get body odor? Sorry. And you no go ever drink or smoke again. You dey hear am? I no wan see you say you drink or smoke again. Make thunder no fire you. Yes. Nonsense.
Princess come see, wahala in the palace. This na trouble in the palace. Wahala in the palace.
Where they stop? How do they work? Where she Tashi?
My princess, I think she's in her room.
She dey her room by this time. Hey, Cheta! Chetachi! Cheta! Cheta! Waka fast now. What do they do this one? Fast, waka. What do they do this one? You be princess Diana, do it. Okay, come fast, you. What you making? What you do? Where you this is?
What are you doing here? Leave. I said leave. Please leave.
Hey, stand there. I don't tell them when I come. Who is? What do you do? Hey, give me that thing. Give me.
Give me fast. Give me. Give. Everything. So, yeah, take. Money still first. One phone, keep up. Yeah. So, collect them. You clean everywhere. I want me to just clean. You know this part of you go clean and dust and clean everywhere, sweep. Or bring bucket for her later. I go come home. There's someone like the governor go rest. Move out.
Sorry, Mike. Sorry.
They worry on. Man, don't go use that for sacrifice one day. Hey, going to work fast. I want me everywhere be very neat. I know what. After I don't finish this thing, I will bring your clothes with me back. When they talk to me, my sister, me, I get a environmental issue. No, they come, no bother yourself. Don't do the work fast. You understand? Once you don't day done with this place, I go bring clothes, all your dirty clothes, for you go wash them. You hear me? Sure, you hear me?
Actually, I.
Shut up. Sweep. I no change that for you. You understand? Don't bring my temperamental phobia out.
Can I talk to you?
What to me? Wait. You're talking.
Sis.
What's happen?
Can I talk to you?
Talk to me now, sister. I dare you. Talk to me. Can I talk to you? Can I talk to you? You get problem with your mouth. Talk to me.
Actually, I've not done this before.
You go do us today.
I don't even know how it's done.
You go sabi. What be this? What be this?
Stick.
Stick? Don't be broom you. They say stick. What is the reason for? You don't turn to Odi. Abi? My friend, this thing a broom. They use and sweep. Now sweep they use and for. Oh yeah, start up. Give me that thing. See. Sweep up. Oh yeah. Take us. Walk. Don't let me change that for you. Respect yourself. They hear me. What I talk? Respect yourself. All these things, you still clean all these things. Very good for you.
Now for your pocket, yo. Trouble every day. If you don't know, make you know right now. Original separate worry again, don't land the
I know the time. Okay. I go sweep your nose, shatter this place. Come on, sweep this thing.
Wonder shall never end. Please, what did I just saw? I don't know. What did you see? Tell me. Princess Kamsi just called her and say, hey, Oya, clean. She start cleaning. If you see the way she ordered Princess Chetachi, and she didn't utter a word though. I'm telling you the truth. She didn't utter a word.
Like seriously?
The thing is, I cannot wait. How is it possible? Like, how is this happening? Did it even happen overnight or what?
Hey!
The princess cannot clean. She cannot wash her own pint. She cannot do anything by herself. If possible, she will ask us to come and beat her and clean her up. She's the one washing and cleaning. I'm surprised. Someone that carries herself like this. Like God. Egg of life. No, I think something is wrong somewhere. I need to go and check. Yes, let me be sure.
Want to go back?
Let me go and confirm that. I'm coming. No, let me confirm.
Let them come and sit by themselves. Are you not coming?
No, I'm busy now. Wait.
Okay.
Small.
Wait, girls. Jokes apart though. Please, what is really happening?
You don't bust, though. Our almighty princess is cleaning the chambers.
Wait, you mean Princess Kamsi ordered her to do that and she obliged? Like for real? She...
What is she waiting for?
She no get choice now. She goes do it. Do you know the worst thing? I and Sonto, we're there, we're busy cleaning, minding our business. So Princess Kamsi said, hey, stop. Oh yeah, continue.
And she didn't say anything.
I was shocked.
And she did it.
I was shocked.
She actually did it.
She did it.
Hey, this is breaking news. Oh.
I knew it was going to come to this. Anyway, that sounds alright.
Yes.
Let's just watch and see how it goes.
Eho. I am
You bitches!
She should do more than cleaning.
Yes,
More
sir.
than cleaning, my dear.
Give her, please give her.
Do you know where she
Follow me, follow me.
from?
Follow me.
Far away, like bomb.
They come. They come, they come. I don't want to talk too much. Understand? Follow me for back. They do this. Now, move. Oh yeah. See ya. Wash them. Wash them. Say your clothes they smell. Rush, go wash this clothes now. Fast when you wash them. I don't want to talk too much. You dey hear me?
Please, can I use washing machine?
Can you use what?
Washing machine.
Washing machine. Ha! Don't let me vex for you. Don't let me vex for you. I dey tell you the truth. Make you use washing machine. They don't spoil you finish now. How you want to see husband marry? When you know if you wash clothes with your hand. What you do your hand? You break? Oh yeah, no problem. I go tell you.
Hey, I'll wash. I'll wash.
You should say wash that clothes fast, man. No change that for you. No say you don't. See, if you finish this clothes now, you go your room, go clean that room. You know they wash your pants. You know they wash your clothes. But the other now you get them. Thank God say that perfume they save your life. If not, people for no as you dey smell. Respect yourself. Wash this thing now. If you wash and finish, you go clean down your room. They. Ah, wanna fall out now. Ah, are they now? Are they see so now they get to themselves? When are they shake your body? Shake your body. Shake your body. Shake your body. Yeah. When I rest, yeah. Public holiday. Who be this one? What's happen? You be snake? I just. You want bite me?
No.
Bite on?
No. How can? No, sorry.
What's that thing man no change up for you? Hey, they check on me, yeah? Yes, sir. After when they shake on body, yes. I think I don't rest. Yes, sir. And I go bath, I go sleep. Yeah? When I rest. Sister. Hey! Oh yeah. Fast, go bring some bucket when you wash those things. You know they talk anyhow. They do like what I don't know. See, make I tell you. All this made in the day public holiday now, you understand? If you do anyhow, you'll see anyhow now. You hear me? Say yes, big sis.
Yes.
What to be yes? Say yes, big six.
Yeah. Yes, big sis.
I respect you, I senior you. Forget say me and you did the same height. I senior you. Oh yeah? They go. Say thank you, ma. Say thank you, ma. Okay, the way I talk like 3 times so you answer me.
Thank you.
You're really stubborn. Ma. Beautiful. Oh yeah, Bamut. Worry. Worry, now you be better worry. I go place you where you belong. Yeah, you know, mates. I don't want to be mates now. They let it talk. Pass oh! Wow, I never seen a laugh or smile like this since I come this palace. Now wow, they don't give una better glory now. Now glory they shine. Oh yeah, shake your body, 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 shake.
Papa, what is going on? You didn't eat the food I served you last night. And now you're not eating this one also. Eh?
Oloma.
Sir?
There is no problem. I am fine. Just that I'm not hungry.
Okay. Papa, I know you met with Princess Shetashi. So, will you do what she asks you to do? will you advise the king to chase Princess Kamsi out of the palace? Yes, I want my friend to be the only princess that is recognized in this kingdom. Eh? Papa, you've not eaten that. Papa, you're not. Papa.
Hey! What have I gotten myself into? Oh no. Hi! Princess Chetachi Arapatam. Chetachi Arapatam. This girl is evil. This girl is evil. She even take video clip of us. Hi! What if she sent this to His Royal Majesty? I will be a dead meat. Completely, I will be a dead meat. Hi! I was supposed to say no to this temptation. Eh? But she overpowered me with her words and beauty. Eh? What have we got this on, man? Eh? Hi! Now look at where it has landed me. What am I going to do? Chetachi. Yeah? I told her, let us go to my own house. She was busy insulting my bed, that my bed is not up to the standard. Now, I went to the palace, to the standard bed. Look at it now. The standard bed now is now chasing me and Chetachi. Hi! Apamiko na to tomano na eme mmadalo. Apamiko na to tomano na eme mmadalo. Hi! Hi! O chara ngesi weje. O kam sirije. O kam sirije. Hi!
Don't worry, rest on me. My handsome. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, babe, my love. Don't worry, come on. Let's go inside. See how you are fine.
Let me give you 360.
Oh, God. Don't worry, let's go inside. You're so handsome. No, baby, come. Sit here. Sit here. Hey, my baby. Hey. I'm so happy. I told you I will surely get you. But here you are. And now you're mine.
My baby.
You know what? I prepared a very special rice for you. Will you eat?
Rice?
Yes.
Special.
Don't worry, I'm coming, eh? Let me go and bring it. Make yourself comfortable.
Comfortable as I am.
Okay. Mary, I cook this food with love. I put a lot of love on it.
Love?
Nah. So that when you finish eating it, you will fall in love with me more and more and more.
God damn it. God damn it.
Obin, I'm supposed to sit with you now when you are eating, eh? So I should go to the other side.
Oh yeah. Hey! Oh, you're my baby.
Oh yeah. Eat. There's no hand fan, I've been fanning you. I don't use my hand.
Hey. There is pepper.
Eat now.
I will joke.
Eat.
Pepper.
In this village, our love story has just begun. Yes. I'm going to show to them that you are mine. Mine alone.
Pepper.
My love, eat. Abi, do you want me to feed you?
No.
Amaka, please. It's your brother at home. I've been waiting for him since morning, eh? You know, he told me he will escort me to the market to go and buy those chicks today. But up till now, I have not seen him. And his number is not going through.
What are you talking about? He left the house. He said he's coming to see you. So what happened?
I don't know. And now we need to get to the market because the market is open. So we can buy the best chicks in the market. But his number is not going. Where could Nana be? Where could he be?
Is it not that your small business you want to start doing today?
The chicken business.
Okay.
He said he will follow me to the market.
Let me try his number.
Hi. Is he ringing?
Wait. His number is off.
I told you, switched off since morning. He told me that he's coming to my house and I've not seen him up till now.
Ada, you'll be going home. Maybe he always coming to your house to come and see you. Okay?
But he told me, oh, where could Nana be now?
Ada, just be going home. I'm going to buy firewood for Mama Ekene's house.
You are going there now?
I'm going there now.
Or maybe I should just...
Be going home. Come and see you.
I'm enjoying this food.
Huh?
So delicious.
I prepared it specially for you.
Yes,
my love. Obi, when you're done eating, I'll give you the other food.
The other food?
Yes, now. After you eat this one, you eat this one.
This one?
Yes.
Is it pepper there?
Everything. Spice.
Maggi?
Have you seen it?
I love Maggi.
Okay. No other woman in this village can give it to you the way I will give it to you.
Atasa.
Should we cover this one and go and eat this one?
Is Maggi there? I love none.
Anna, everything is here. Even let's cover this one. Go. Let's go.
Let's go and eat Maggi. Maggi? Is it none?
Waka, where you go?
Hi, sis. I'm going to my friend's house.
Oh no, who daughter?
Yes, sis.
Now you can pack all this entourage. Pack all the gas and the maids, they waka they go.
Sis, it's protocol.
Which protocol? Now pride won't kill you. Anywhere where you enter, everybody knows say you be princess, Abi. No, this is what you do now is good. What if now, say as you pack all these people they protect the palace, come out, work on start for you now. Who go save me? No, it make it can't be like saying that this country where they will say one person go pack every security to himself. More others die now, Abi. Abi?
Protocol.
Which protocol? My sister I beg one for them when they go. Hey, guy, I'm gonna go inside. Where I go? Where I go again? Not there. Move back. What's here? Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open it. Open. Hello. You drink? You don't drink? You smoking? You don't smoking? It's okay. What you go happen now be say if you waka this waka when you dey waka now come back, devil won't punish you. You come by mistake, go smoke it, go for there, come back. I go crazy for your head.
I'm done with all that.
Okay, now I just make I remind you, you understand? Based on who you be. Oh, yeah, hey, give me khaki. Submit. Sister, submit her. Go. Use leg. You don't do exercise today. You have no exercise. Exercise. To waka 10,000 steps a day. Very important for your health. Oh, yeah. Waka na. From here to know who has not reached 3,000 steps. So if you waka and come back 3 times before you go reach her. Oh, yeah. Fast. They go here.
Sis, please, can I just go with the car?
For what? Why you want to go with car and gas? For why?
For protection.
With protection? You know your sister be, they say for protection. Where you get KK as sister, as you dey waka now, anybody where you see you want to touch you, so, hey, where you? I be KK sister, nothing dey happen. Your person go fall back. If they burn a person when me touch you, they go. Just like say I'm KK sister. Oh yeah, they go. I'm KK sister. Eh? They go. Say I'm KK sister. Oh yeah, talk am. Talk am na sister. I'm what?
KK sister.
No, my sister, you dey put guy for inside. Don't say I'm KK sis. You don't need to tell them say you be princess, so because you na low budget princess. You don't get level as a princess. So you don't tell them say you be KK sister. Once they hear I be KK sister. Yeah, KK sister. They go follow. I go. I'm what?
KK sister.
When they put your mouth like this thing, pinnacle mouth, so they put on well. KK sister.
KK sister.
KK. Say KK sister.
KK sister.
There they go now. Babe, they waka with boldness. I'm KK sister. Oh yeah, they go. Say I'm KK sister. Oh yeah, they shake body. They go. I'm KK sister. Ewo, they go. I'm KK sister. Ewo, they go. I'm KK sister. Ewo. Now say you do that. Nobody, they don't buy anybody where to do here. I'm KK sister. They go. Ewo, I'm KK sister. I feel like I'm KK sister. Now somewhere you're from Lena. I'm KK sister. They go. Ewo, I'm KK sister. Hey guy, come on for here. I want to entertain you now. You don't get here. Want to look person. Come on this car.
Good evening, I'll kill you there. What is good about the evening? Don't greet me. If you see me passing, don't greet me. You think I don't know you? You think I don't know you and your co-witches? You think I don't know you people are mocking me and not happy with me? You think I don't know? Don't greet me. Useless.
What did I do? Did I mock her? This princess get Pepe Bodu without her K leg.
My love. I hope you enjoyed it. We enjoyed it. That was a blast.
Yeah, you're top magic.
Baby, I want you to promise me that you will stop saying that brat. And you know what I'm talking about. I can't now.
I'll stop seeing
So why will you see me again?
you. Later today.
In the evening.
Papa.
What happened? You know, don't worry. I'll see you in the evening, yeah? I love you.
I love you.
Bye. What's going on? Where are your guards? There's not even Maid here. Why are you walking barefoot?
Big questions don't too much. Now jam by con right. I want po. I want loud. I want kana.
You calm down. All of them are the same. Lad, all of them.
Run am. It's too tough.
You sure say you did okay?
I say me you run am.
And I did come now. Just wait for me.
Stop this girl.
Afa, since you came in here, you've just been smoking. You're not talking to me. What did it happen? Talk to me now. What's happening?
Wetin dey happen? Just a sing like bird for my ear. Wetin dey worry you? Now why I come here, come right. I just came to cool my head. Relax. When I come down, I will talk to you.
Just come here, come cool your head. Wait. Not tell me say you dey try avoid calling. It's me no say you dey smoke. Come on now, babe. That guy knows you smoke. Yes. He knows.
What about your father?
My father, he left this morning, very early this morning. Yeah, that reminds me. Did he tell you he was going to do it? Ooh, talk to me now, my blood is hot. He go do am, abi no go do am.
Lama, I'm in deep shit.
Give me first, make I... Give me, now not be me give you. You call my house, I give you something. You don't pass, give me again.
My friend tell you say she did deep shit. Now you boy you won't collect.
I can't maybe and you they reason together. Now not be me give you. You go puff, you go give me, I go. Give me, princess.
Come on here, you don't get time for us. Come on here.
Give me not this stingy. I don't understand you, eh? But that aside, talk true. What do you mean you call my house? No bodyguard. Not even maiden. You just waka on. I don't even know whether you drive.
What they worry? Just the blah blah blah. They talk up and down.
Talk to me now.
I did and I tell you say I did this shit. You know the yara.
I know. I did share your body.
Calm down. Make I talk first.
Give me. Make I did the same level with you. Now make I dey reason the same thing when you dey reason. Now give me. I'm not dey stingy with.
I smell you. Quit off him.
Off with you.
Off him. Quench him. I smell you. I dey stop saying you off me. They blow me the one way you smoke. Wait till
you go calm down, Ashu. Oh, yeah, come here, see now. I go know that. Small.
It's me.
Give me something. I give don't talk.
I drop smoke.
No, drop again. I don't drop again.
When you buy here, you say you want smoke. I give you smoke. Now you say you don't want it again. I come here, bring
You get don't talk. Get sweet.
I come.
Get chewing gum.
I come here. Just calm down.
Easy, look catch me. Car. Chetachi don't fuck up. My soul. See me now. Almighty princess. Reduced to nothing.
Thank you.
Miss! That's!
Where is my daughter? I ask again, where is Princess Chetachi?
My queen, she left the palace for quite long.
My daughter left the palace not quite long, all by herself? No guards? No maids? When did that start in this palace? Leave my presence. Hello? Hello? Where are you? Ono's house? I thought I told you to come to the airport to pick me with the guards. I waited for long there and you were nowhere to be found. Now, where are you? And you're You know what? I want to see you back to this palace. In a jiffy. Just in a jiffy! The king will be back in Norway. I went for the Queen's Convention. I am actually the chairman and the guest of honor. Yes. So how have you been all this while? Okay. Don't worry, I will either text you or give you a call. What? Please, let me call you back.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings to yourself. Get out of my sight.
Now you don't well like this. My papa tell me something. Papa tell me say you and I get small breakdown. Now you young base. Why? Because your husband and wife just get small issue, you all move. Why you behave like that?
Are you insane? Are you mad? Who do you think you are to stand before me and ask me what transpired between me and my husband? Are you stupid? Yeah. Out of my sight! This minute!
Who are they talking? I did my papa say say out of your sight. What's your why they always behave like this?
Leave my presence! Leave my presence!
Nobody they too prepare you. Now you they get they cannot they shout, now you they shout. What's happen between now? What's happen? No, talk to me.
Come see. It's an order. Leave my presence.
Oh no.
Chiojofo.
Oh no, I've been observing you since you left my house down to this place. And I see that you have not been yourself. Is everything all right? Or is there something you would like to share with me?
Chiojofo, there is no problem. I am fine. I'm fine.
I don't think so. I don't think so from what I'm observing. You can tell a blind man there's no oil in the soup, but you cannot tell him there's no salt, because he will test it. What is the problem? You used to be a very lively, vibrant person. But why not open up to me? Let us share this problem, have solved. If there's anything, let me know.
Chiojofo, I've told you that I am fine. Just that sometimes, you know, this mood swing of a thing, it can linger for a while. And you know, my wife is not around.
I said it. So you are in love. You are lovesick. You are missing your wife. Now look, Udman or no was the lover boy you. But that will not be a problem. Your daughter is still there now.
I know. I know, but so you won't understand.
I know you are missing her companion and food.
You won't understand.
I know. Hey.
Hello, yeah, can you hear me? Please, I don't know if you have any mechanic. My car just broke down at the middle of the road. I don't know if you can help me call mechanic. I don't know what is wrong with the car. You know, I don't know much about car. Please, I just need your help. Just look for any mechanic, eh? Please, I'll be waiting. Thank you. At that T junction, yeah.
Yes, good afternoon. What's happening? What's happening?
Are you a mechanic? Yes. Are you a mechanic?
It's fine. No, I'll not be mechanic.
I don't know. I was just going somewhere. Just stopped me here and yeah, I'm going. It's not far from there.
Okay.
Do you know any mechanic around here?
No, don't worry. Make I check what in they do the car. If I check and if nobody I'll feed you, I'll call Musa, my guy. He will come run off for me.
So you know, you think you can do something about it, right?
You know, guy can.
Though you look like a man, but I still know you're a woman.
What's it with this? My watermelon.
You're funny. I like your English.
You don't come out this thing quickly.
Yeah.
What you say they worry? I'm not going to start.
I don't know. I don't know anything about car.
You don't know anything about car?
Yes.
Where your carburetor?
So are you sure you know what you're doing?
Bro, so I'm saying, am I sure you know what I'm doing? I ask you where your carburetor is. They say, am I sure I know what I'm doing?
I don't know where my carburetor is.
Ha! Now see what they work. See what he come out now. And your battery head now come out.
Wow. You don't mean it.
And your battery head come out, guy. Full grown man like you know say your battery head come out. Full grown man.
How am I supposed to know? I say I don't know anything about car.
Start this thing first.
Okay, let me try.
How you don't go to start battery head like that? Start am. Start am first. Yeah. Now guy, you gotta help yourself, oh. Small battery head now come out. Wow. Battery head come out now. So I see him. I just come out and fix it.
How do you know about this?
You gotta help yourself. Battery head just shit.
How do you know about?
My pa get cars now.
Wow.
So me said they fair run things with people for them with their cars, so that will not be anything.
I see. It's interesting. I know Nigerians are full of talent.
Nigerians are full of talent.
Of course.
You na Nigeria from come?
No.
They say Nigeria are full of talent.
I'm a Nigerian.
You know this country.
I'm a Nigerian, but I just, traveled out some time ago and, from Canada to London. But here I am now, in my father's country.
Okay, no wonder you travel out now. You just come back.
Yeah.
No wonder someone don't beat you. You yellow but you come like say you don't bleach now.
You're funny. I like your English. It sounds very good in your mouth.
I got a runner for me now, don't you man?
I see.
Yes,
So do you have a name?
My name?
Yes.
Come to your chuku. Come to your chuku the way where I take beg God. Na so you go take give me. Come to your chuku. If you call me KK or worry blood.
KK or worry blood. Are you from worry?
I'm saying from worry. You understand? My story goes like this. My papa na Igbo, my mama na worry. Normally, if you ask me, I go say me the table turn. Make my mama, make my mama be Igbo. Make my papa be worry, so that I go be full blown worry blood. But anyhow it be, I see what I did because I was born and brought up there.
I see it means you're crossbreed.
Anyhow you cut it, I don't want
Nice meeting you. You don't mind I have your number so that I can call you, talk or hang out.
Now guy, why you dey like this now? Guy man to guy man. Now they do that kind of thing now. Now guy man to guy man, me you help you based on who you be saying a man to man, you understand? So guy man no dey guy man.
No, I mean just have your number, be friends.
Nah. Guy man no dey guy man. Why they ask for guy man number? No they do that kind of thing. I help parent.
Are you serious?
No they do that kind of thing.
I mean, I don't mean any harm. I just
Bros, no worry. I help parent my fellow guy man. You understand?
Okay. Come, let me give you money. I want to appreciate you.
Princess, what is going on? Your guards, your car. Why are you walking alone?
No. Is there a way we can kill Kamsi so my body and soul can have peace?
Chetachi, you cannot kill a royal blood.
I want to kill her.
Stop. Calm down. Don't shout. Listen. We must do whatever she said we will do to protect our sanity and good.
Oh no, we don't understand. I have done everything. This girl has fat. No guts, no maid, no nothing, not even my car. What else do you want me to do? She has ripped me off everything.
Shetachi, I heard that your man is returning to take you as your wife. Why not behave? Calm down and marry him this weekend.
Oh no, why you had that hearing? I said I have done everything this girl demanded from me. I wash, I clean, I cook, I do everything. I even make my own bed. What else? She has reduced me to nothing. Don't you understand what I'm saying? What do you want me to do? To go and lick her bum bum?
Chetachi, go home. Your mother is at the palace.
Oh no, I said I want to kill her.
Chetachi, you cannot kill her. You cannot. Go home. Your mother is in the palace waiting for you. And don't tell anybody all the things that happened. Look at her. Look at the condition you put me. Now they have removed everything from your hand. You now know that you can move with ordinary legs, no guards, no car. Actually make them man on you quick. A man I'm not on you quick. Yes, we want to kill Kamsi. Only you will be the princess.
My princess, your mouth is not smelling weed.
Get out. Get out. I said leave. Come back. Why did you not leave the first time?
I'm sorry, my princess.
Is it because I'm smelling weed?
No, ma'am. You're not from your mouth. I can't perceive any weed from your mouth.
Come close. Can you perceive anything? Did I tell you to kiss me? Eh? Do you want to kiss me?
No, my princess.
Come this side. Can you perceive anything?
No, my princess.
Come this side. Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes, my princess.
Are you sure?
Yes, my princess.
Because if Kansi ever finds out or smells weed on me, I'll take you outside the palace and I will kill you.
Which kind of like this self? I no sabi the smell of weed again.
Collins, how is London? Honestly, me looking at you, you're not looking bad at all.
Thank you, my queen.
Yes.
London is amazing.
Okay. You're welcome. My daughter left. She went to see her friend. But trust me, she will soon be back. Hey, talk of the devil. Here she comes. The beauty of the palace. Who am I seeing? That's my lovely daughter.
Ivy.
Come here!
Mom, you're back too.
Yes. Good to see you. Good to see you. But then, why did you leave the palace without any of the guards?
Well, let's just say I wanted to see what it feels like to be a commoner. And I enjoyed it.
Very well then. I'll be in my room. Collins, once more, you are welcome.
Thank you, my queen.
So good to see you. How long have you been here?
I just came not quite long. What is it? You're not looking good. Are you okay? Babe, come on, tell me. What's the matter?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm alright.
Are you not happy to see me?
Of course I am happy to see you. In fact, I am the happiest person in the world.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure, my baby.
That's my love. Thank God.
I'm sorry, guy, I don't understand you.
Give that guy where.
Now that guy, what they tell you now?
You tell me something.
And they tell you that the guy where I be help earlier on today when I help and repair a car. Now the guy be that now.
You help and fixing car.
Yes, he be ask me for number, me no give up. But as we see again, now I say my.
Now waiting make two of them go, they get you aside.
We don't get to aside. Now guy man like me now, now guy.
You said that waiting. That guy man like you. No be breast be this. No be breast be this. Obula depa. Na guy man like you. You no ever no they try am, no they collect number from any man. If they do me so hard for body. No they ever collect number from any man. I don't want to see am. They hear me so.
This guy don't leave me.
Rest.
Why don't collect number from the guy? No be guy man like me.
Don't do that joke I did. Don't do it. Sorry.
I get a number, give guy man like me number. You don't dey try for me. Don't embrace me.
See your shoe. Don't do.
Baby girl, come here. Come here. I missed you. I won't say that again.
I missed you too. How are you? What happened? You came back without that. I thought you guys were supposed to be on your way to London.
Your dad is pissing the heck off me. Can you imagine? Your father looked me in the face and asked me to follow him to Warri to his ex-dead girlfriend's house that he wants to see his people and give them some money and some gifts. Can you beat that? You know what? I did not want to banter words with your father after battling with him for so many days. I decided to come back so that he won't give me high blood pressure.
That is serious. So when is he going to come back?
I don't know. I don't care. Meanwhile, let's talk about you. You are looking all worn out. What's the problem? And again, when did you start leaving the palace without your guards, without your mates? And you are trying to sweet talk me before Collins.
Mom, I think the question here should be, where are you going dressed like this? Not even in your royal attire.
Or this. My darling, I want to go meet some queens from Mother Kingdom. You know, we need to talk, chat. I want to do something different from thinking about your father and his ex-dead girlfriend. I do not want to have high blood pressure because of your father. Pressure.
It's okay, but you have to be careful. You're a queen.
There are so many young boys out there targeting married women, especially the rich ones.
My darling, you know who your mother is. I can be anything but wayward. I know who I am, I know where I'm coming from, and I know what I need to protect, especially you. You don't look so good to me. What is the problem? Talk to me.
Oh, Mom, come on, I'm just...
Now, what happened now? I have been calling you since your number was off. Remember we had an agreement that you were going to follow me to the market. What is it? What happened?
Nothing.
Nothing, just like that. After waiting for you since morning, how can you tell me nothing? Now?
Oh, you are too inquisitive. I'm going home, please.
Wait now, I'm talking to you. What happened? You were supposed to follow me to the market and I could not reach you. Now I'm asking you. Okay, hold on. Wait. Is there a problem? Did anything happen? Just tell me now. I'm your woman.
Give me 2 years first. You don't touch. Give me 2 years.
My love.
2 years.
Okay,
first.
wait. My love.
2 years now.
What did I do now? What did I do?
Are you done?
Hold on. What is the problem? Hey! Nah.
Ada. Ada. How are you? I told you that nobody will see this my sexy body and will not look at me. Anybody I want in this village, I get them. Don't worry, just go and ask Nana what happened between the both of us.
What's she trying to say? I should go and ask Nana what happened between both of them yesterday. What could that be?
Hello, Kamsi.
My guy, how far now? Who they talk? Okay, call this. How you there, guy? My G, now your number be this. No, don't worry, I go save her. Guy, I go save her. How far now?
Thief. I don't know what to do with this, so
You dey Chris, at your age, they say you don't know to. I can go slice that on those way they
I don't like to slice on your...
Shut up! Hey, bro, some people had to tell shut up, no verse. Now one mumu sister of mine like that, the girl no sabi slice onions at her age. You know feel cook. I know nothing they do, I might train and shy. No be guy man. Na silence baby. No problem, boss. I will sell your number. I will stand. Bye. Hey, guy.
Oh, alright.
Sis, can we use the maidens? The maidens can do this.
You dey mad? You dey crazy because I dey come, well, dey compose myself. What dey worry you? She can't talk on be that one. No, they do that kind of nonsense behavior. What dey worry you? Who goes there? You dey okay? You dey alright? Since when not be only you dey work? Not be you clean your room, wash your clothes, clean everywhere. You die?
I tried now, sis. Don't you think you're punishing me?
They carry this your face, this is Sambisa Forest face. They think you're this. Okay, no sabi cut or no sabi. Make I teach you how to cut abi. Don't worry, give me. Yes. You don't see her. You no sabi cut or no sabi. Ma tell you how they tell you cut am. You do.
Because I love you and I want us to come back. See, let me tell you what happened. That girl is not even my type. See, let me tell you what happened that night. I think that was a Omuna's lady. Yes, Omuna's lady. So that day we drank. And you were not there. Drunkenness in me, I don't even know what happened. And I did it with her just once. Then the next thing says she's pregnant for me. That was the result of that child. I don't know that woman for man. I don't know her. It's your love. Please. You don't have to be confused. All that you are saying now, I've only planned my way because all I just need you to accept. No, you have accepted me so that we divorce her and come and marry you and be happy in the rest of my life.
I love you. Yes, sure. Let's do it now. How do you understand my feelings?
There's no
see that, but I am the man and I put your own because I'm trying. I'm Yankee baby. I'm a young. Listen. See, I know, I don't want you to come now. I'm not going to go back to you. I just go away.
I hope you had a wonderful time.
Yes, of course. Make it comfortable. Let me go up around to the back.
Okay. Is anyone around? What? You know I didn't get a chance to do this. What? You were shy.
Chakam! 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 Queen of my kingdom. He dey cheat for my P-man. He dey cheat on my P-man.
I will just take my leave.
Hey! Who goes there? Yeah. Hug him. No. Hug him. Yes. You dey cheat on your... Wait, excuse me. My queen. If you don't catch you, dey cheat on my P-man with this efulef. Your gym instructor. Gym. Sorry. Please. Sorry.
It's just an instructor.
Avoid me. So you come in. Let's order first now. My God,
Please, I'm begging you. Please, oh, please, I'm begging you. Come sit down, please.
Yeah, that queen they need that for person.
Please.
See what man don't reduce it to.
Oh God.
Man don't reduce it to nothing. Put your something in one place. Na kwekus no go good.
Please, I'm begging you.
Wait, why they beg me? Me wait.
What you saw?
Man, not tell my point I saw. I saw something. What I saw past me. I just say make I pass back here. Man, know what woman are they up to? What thing they go do? Whether they go hot or something. As I they pass Corona, they see you. Let you and your gym instructor. Una the lalibo on herself.
No, just kissing.
Not only kissing.
Yes.
I go tell my papa.
Please, I'm begging.
You know what I want to tell you? Don't worry, weekend. You just say that my papa you catch on that position by now. This whole palace will not be on fire. But now they catch you now, don't they do good person. You when they value me, don't they beg me.
It was the devil's work.
Everything
I actually love you, but you know, I was tense. I didn't understand how I would cope with that.
I beg. See, I beg. But you pepper me, no, they do this guy thing. Come up from my room.
The reason I did this thing because I wanted to make your father jealous. I didn't know I would go to that extent. I didn't mean to. Please, I'm begging you.
You best me slap yourself. I beg. No matter your time. Slap yourself.
I slap myself.
No. Faith. No. Slap yourself. Oh, try to help me. When you choose. I said, madam, slap yourself. No, this I don't tell you you rub manicure. I don't tell you that thing. I said, wait, slap yourself now. That one not slap. You know something? How she's so. You see what you cause. And they try to give you an example. And you make me slap you. Slap yourself. I don't hear you need to slap Tawai! When I see that one I slap. Slap yourself. Now that kind of slap, I tell you. Slap yourself.
It's so hot.
It's hot, I mean.
It's
very hot. Sorry.
I'm too red.
Don't turn red. Sorry. Slap again.
That's where you know she's sabi am well. This is trouble in the palace. Princess come see wahala in the palace. This not trouble in the palace. Wahala in the palace.
What did I do? What is wrong with this car, you dummy? I thought this car was serviced last month.
It's my queen.
So what happened? Look at this idiot answering me. Are you supposed to reply to me or do something about this car? Do something! We are running late. What is this? Oh my God!
Time is not on our side.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Hey, greetings.
What seems to be the problem?
It won't start and I'm running late for a meeting. You won't believe it.
So I'm so sorry about that. I mean, it's not a good thing for a beautiful queen to be standing outside. Okay, can I be of help? Sir, can you go? Try and start it, let's see.
It won't start. I told you, it won't start.
Don't worry. Okay, try it again. Okay. I think you need to change the plug. You need to change the plug. Yes, do you have a spare plug?
Let me check.
Okay.
Check the booth.
Don't worry. Yes, it's the plug. Once we fix the plug,
Please be fast.
Pardon me, Your Majesty. My name is Chidozie.
I am Queen Patricia, but if you call me Isioma, I will be glad.
Wow. Beautiful name for a beautiful queen. Okay, I actually own a gym just down the street.
A gym house?
Yes. I hope it won't be offensive to ask the queen for a little workout, just to maintain the beauty for the king.
You train people in your gym house?
Of course.
That won't be a bad idea,
Okay. We train both men and women, and I don't mind. I can spare the time for you and the king.
You know what? Let me get my guard. Get me my phone. Let me have your contact. Okay. I'll give you a call. Right now, the major problem I have is this car. Haven't you seen the plug?
No.
Please, go to any nearby shop, get plug. Let's fix this car.
Okay, on a second thought, why don't you wait here? Let me get it for you.
Oh, you do?
Yes.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
My pleasure. I'll be back.
Thank you. You will not fix your car in the morning. You will not check your vehicle in the morning.
Yes. Have you forgotten I'm a queen?
Apologies, Your Majesty. I almost forgot.
I mean to ask you, why have you been sending me all those lovely text messages?
Because you deserve them. I mean, take a good look at yourself. Beautiful queen, elegant, smart, gorgeous.
Stop already. You're tickling me.
Oh, you deserve more, my queen.
You make me feel like a young lady. The text messages, the way you talk to me, the calls. All of them make me feel like I'm no longer aging.
Can I ask you a question? Why haven't you started working at the gym? I mean, what's the delay?
My husband, he is a jealous king. I don't think he will give his consent anytime soon.
I trust you'll try. Can I count on you?
Let's say I'll make efforts. If he refuses, I may ask one of his aides or special advisors to make him succumb. It's just a try, I don't know. My husband is...
Can I kiss you?
What?
On the hand.
You go suffer one day, you go see again one day. You and the waka, could get a movement. You go suffer, you go see shaking one day. You and the waka.
I guess I should take my leave.
Yes. Yes, please.
Pretender, do the worst. You go see shame. You and the waka. Your mind is dirty, your heart is corrupt. One day you go see that you when you walk out. When you get a movement. Every day for the tifo, but one day not for the owner. You dey come in, you think say nobody sees you. You are committing sin. You think say nobody sees you.
I've seen the picture. You are so handsome. Have you seen mine? I hope you love it. Okay, I'll delete yours immediately. Because of my husband. I love you.
Let me have the phone. What? Let me have the phone. Let me have it!
Why? Okay, have the phone.
The password. I said the password.
2259. Are you done?
Don't play with my intelligence. Don't you play games with me. I'm watching you.
Give me my phone. Jealous king.
Every day for the tifo, but one day not for the owner.
What have I done to myself? Ha! What did I do to myself? God help me! God help me! What made that boy to kiss me? What made him to kiss me and I stupidly fell like a fool? Oh God, help me, I'm finished. And I didn't know anybody will walk out from the palace. And of all the people, not my daughter, not the guards, not the maidens, but Kamsi. Hey, that girl will not have mercy. Kamsi will not have mercy upon me. She must override my stupidity. I'm finished. I'm finished.
This is trouble in the palace. Princess Kamsi, wahala in the palace. This not trouble in the palace. Wahala in the palace. Sapele wali she don't say, she don't see your face. Sapele wali.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning. Did you sleep well?
I did not sleep well. What's going on here?
Huh?
You are mopping your room by yourself?
Of course.
Why are the maids responsible for your room?
Mom, I don't need maidens to do this job for me. I can take care of myself, clean my room, arrange my bed, and tidy up around me.
Wait. Are you trying to say that you're the one that made this bed?
Mm-hmm. I did.
Chitachi, this is quite unlike you. Are you up to any mischief?
Mom, I am not up to any mischief. I'm just human. And change is constant. It's nothing weird. It's normal. It's things normal girls do.
Okay. Where is Kamsi?
You see? You not asked after her before. You're changing as well.
I'm not changing. I am not. I am looking for that girl. When I find her, I will force her to tell me what she discussed with her father. I'm not changing.
I see. I saw her leaving the palace.
Oh, really?
Yes, Mom. Please excuse me. Let me finish up on time.
This is trouble, trouble in the palace. Princess comes in, wahala in the palace. This not trouble, trouble in the palace. Ay, wahala, wahala in the palace. Sapele waligi, she don't send you, she not dey see your face. Sapele waligi, she don't send you, she not dey see your face. This is trouble, trouble in the palace. Princess comes in, wahala in the palace. This not trouble, trouble in the palace. Ay, wahala, wahala in the palace. Sapele waligi, she don't.
What in the name of the universe is going on here? Chetachi, what are you trying to do?
I'm washing my clothes.
You are washing your clothes by yourself?
Mom, I can wash my clothes.
Wait. Where are your personal maidens?
Mom, I thought you should be happy that at least I'm doing something. I'm just trying to exercise my hands, like you said. So, I'm washing my clothes by myself, and I think it's a good thing.
Okay. Let's assume you want to wash your clothes. Maybe you want to exercise yourself. What happens to the washing machine?
And like you said, I want to exercise my hand. And this is a better way to do it, not washing machine.
This is no longer funny. Where is Ada?
Ada! Mom! Come on, Mother. It's not that deep. Just clothes. I can wash it. And it's a good thing that I'm changing for the better. Washing my clothes by myself. Tidying myself up. Don't make it a big deal. It's not that deep.
My princess.
Yes, Mom.
Are you sure that I am speaking to the daughter that I gave birth to?
Live on direct. The original version.
If you say so. I was on my way out when I saw you.
How she listen to you? She don't go and cause trouble for me. This girl will start saying that somebody helped me to wash. Nobody's helping me to wash. I'm washing my clothes myself.
Nana, what is going on? What is going on? I don't understand you anymore. Can you please tell me something reasonable?
I'm fine. I'm good. Don't I look good? Don't I look fine?
Is that all you have to say to me? Nana, this is unfair now. This is unfair. I mean, what is going on between us? And we call you these days, you will tell me you are not at home. But when I finally come to your house, you will be in your room pressing your phone. Nana, what is going on? See, I saw Uloma yesterday and she told me something happened between both of you.
Don't try to mention that name here. I said I'm good. I'm fine now.
Listen, Nana, I will not take this answer from you. I will not take it. What happened between you and Uloma? I don't want to assume anything, no. But I want you to tell me by yourself. What happened between both of you? Don't tell me this.
What happened is that you should mind your business. You understand? Mind your business.
Nana, you cannot tell me that.
Don't touch me.
Baby. Yeah.
Like they do.
How are you? What is happening here? You are calling my love baby in front of me. Are you not scared?
Are you deaf?
Are you?
See.
He's my man, and we are in love.
Give me 360.
What?
Give me 460.
Yes, baby.
Nana, what is wrong with you? I'm here in front of in my presence.
Don't try it. Don't provoke me. Can't you see? Can't give me 460, baby. Give me 460.
No, you cannot do this to me now. What is wrong? Why do you...
Listen, let me go. Let's go home. Hey, let's go to my house. Let me give you the new style.
Nana, don't go with that.
No, my dear.
Let's go.
Leave, Papa, no, leave.
Baby, don't worry, Nana.
Oh, baby, what you.
Hey, Nana.
No, I'm good.
You're good. Princess, like Bobby this so.
No, I'm not interested.
Are you serious? I don't understand. What's happening? You stop smoking? You don't even drink? No club, nothing. What's going on?
Well, let's just say I am done with all of that. Maybe it's age.
Wait, you're done with smoking?
I don't even feel it anymore. I'm good.
There's something bothering you. Is it Collins? Do you think he's cheating on you with a white woman?
Oh, please. Collins can never cheat on me.
Fine! Then tell me what's going on. What's bothering you?
Nothing is going on.
Princess, it's me, Uloma, your friend.
I'm done with smoking. And there's nothing, not like I have a problem with you doing it, but for me, I'm done with that.
Yeah.
So go on. If you have water, you can give me.
Hi. Why would Nana do this to me? Why? What have I done to Nana to deserve all of this? Nana broke my heart. He told me it's over.
It's a lie. My brother can never do such a thing to you.
For what? He did. He said it's over. He broke my heart. Imagine your brother left me for that stupid girl, Uloma.
Uloma that he hates so much with passion.
I don't know. He even slapped me. Your brother slapped me. I fell to the ground. He was not even sorry. He asked me to leave.
Ada, you know what? I'm coming just wait for now.
Let me go with you so we can make it.
Chitisa send her papa. Una block road where now? You know go understand to the apple. Make she come down first. She go here one.
Come see. What is going on here?
Me and Omo na my guy. We be get some kind of parole. I'm going to escort me go somewhere because me I dey go on a date. So, but we don't trek, we don't tire. We need your car more continue our journey.
Huh?
Which I'm saying, Omo na shall we sabi drive now?
I go run
now.
I should give you my car?
Yes, me my guy drive me go date where they go.
Okay, why not hire a cab? I'll pay.
Make me hire a cab, you go pay. You know if you hire the cab, may you pay. You the time so okay, why hire no problem. Una we get no Una no worry. You know my papa, the king. You get something I want to tell my papa.
Wait. Hey. It has not gotten to that. You need the car, right?
No, I want to use the sand.
Ataya. Ha. Give us the car. Where the car key?
You can have it. God, please give her the car keys.
Give me. Guy, give me the car. Give me! Umuna.
I thought you were fighting for the removal of Princess Kamsi.
That fight can hold on for now. I have more important things to think about. I don't think I want to even engage in that fight anymore.
Are you serious? Princess, I'm confused. You're leaving me in the dark. You're not telling me anything. It's me, Uloma. We share everything together.
Why is it weird to you that I'm trying to be normal?
Where is Ashawo? Where she did?
Oh,
my princess, I greet you.
What is going on?
My princess, please help me beg this your friend to leave my brother alone. Please, see if you don't do that sham that you do to my brother, it's going to backfire you.
charm. Lola, what is she talking about?
Princess, is it my fault if our elder brother is in love with me?
Huh? No way. It can never happen.
Listen. Get out. Get out of my house.
If I don't leave her there, what will you do?
I said you get... Wait, you walk into my house. You bring this your tiny leg into my house to talk to me. Are you mad? Hey? Get out! Huh? Get out! Stop it! Stop!
Let's do it. See you using more.
Dozie,
My queen.
I invited you over to tell you that it is high time we stopped this.
Why?
It is no longer conducive, and it is threatening the peace of the royal household.
I guess you're still disturbing.
Kamsi is more than a disturbance. Earlier today, Kamsi stopped me on the way and collected my car, left with her friends, leaving us under the shed, my guard and myself, while the whole day away. Remember, I am not just a wife. I am a wife of a king whose profile is there around this neighborhood. So, I am not even supposed to be doing this. I don't know how I got myself here, but we need to stop whatever it is we are feeling for each other. Please.
I understand. As much as it pains me, I completely understand your stand.
You are a responsible man, regardless. And you say something about trying to be for pure gym house with some equipment, right?
Yes.
To that effect, I will make a transfer of 5 million naira into your account. And you will get that before you get home.
I'm grateful, my queen. Thank you.
Take care of yourself.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. Welcome back. Where have you been? I've been calling you, but you've not been picking up your calls.
I'm sorry about that.
What is it?
Nothing. I went to see a friend. Babe,
Yeah?
are you the one that washed all these clothes?
Mm-hmm. I did.
And the house is neat. You cleaned the house?
Of course I did. I also made you food. So let's go to the dining and eat.
Oh, babe, wait. Wow, this is cool. I also got something for you. Something you will love.
Really?
Yeah. Let me show you.
Mm.
Your favorite. I tied it myself. Your favorite. Something you always want to take that makes you look okay. You love this breed.
No, I'm good. Let's go. Let's go eat.
Babe, this breed is different from every other breed you've taken. This is Jamaica breed.
Baby, I said I'm good. I don't need it. I'm okay. I've not even done this for some time now, and I'm okay. So I realized I do not need it to survive. Let's go eat.
Babe, are you kidding me?
No, I'm not.
I mean, it's something you love taking.
Baby, come on. I don't have to. I don't need it. I don't have to take it. Baby, come on. Why are you surprised? I'm human and change is constant. Or you can say thank you to my stepsister who forcefully taught me lots of things.
Wow.
Mm-hmm. She did great for me.
I would love to meet that your sister who have taught you how to be a good wife material. I mean...
baby, wife material.
She must be a fantastic stepsister, I confess.
Baby, please stop. That hasn't got into that. Let's go eat, please.
Oh, okay, I will join you. Let me take something from the car.
Okay. Let me make the dining and set everything.
Alright, right behind you. What is really going on? This is not Princess Chatachi I used to know. Is she pretending? Is she hiding all her bad character just for the sake of marriage? The princess I know will yell at me for not taking her course, or even come to the palace to see her. She will not even come here, let alone do the laundry for me. She even rejected smoke. Smoke I personally wrote for her myself. What is going on in her life? I mean, if she's not pretending, that means she's good to go. I think I need to meet that her stepsister who have taught her all these good things. Yes, she have done so well on a girl that is so arrogant, rough, and authoritative. I'm surprised.
I'm telling you, a lot has changed. You know, she doesn't smoke again. Yes. And this day she just keeps to herself. I don't know what's going on. But I'm telling you, I'm surprised myself.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure she's not faking this?
Fake. Collins, you know the princess. She doesn't fake anything. I can't even explain what's going on. I'm surprised. I know something is bothering her, but I just can't place it. Except somebody tells me God himself touched her. I'm worried.
This is so serious.
Come on, dining. What would they if we want eat, normal, me and my guys, they put body together. We'll just eat. And I will come put fork, put this thing. No man, only banana would they chop with granules. We don't afternoon food, don't bazaar. I they tell you. This one. Pima.
It's not good.
Like say the girl where you know the same market. More than they tell them. Many they bring banana where they use cabat they ripe. I don't go take that nonsense from them.
Hey, don't worry, I'll do it myself. I'll tell her myself.
Wow. Queen mother. Now me today your food.
Of course.
Why now?
But you don't like it.
You know your diabetic condition. I don't like this kind of thing. Which kind of thing can be this one?
You are a diabetic patient and your sugar level don skyrocket to out of abnormal. You're not supposed to do that. Don't do that again. I don't like this thing. Show me the meat.
Thank you for the
Won't be doing that kind of a thing again.
Okay.
Why you dey chop meat?
It's alright. Thank you for reminding me.
Do you want?
Let's eat.
Even the salad, I don't like am. Bring it. Bring am. Take watermelon chop. Don't do that kind. Take cucumber na weight loss. We chop. Pima, no come out. Yeah, we for the call foul. You know go on.
Oh, my king, don't worry.
But in case you want me to
reminded me.
You see this, you go live long. As far as they adhere to what I tell, I go live long.
Don't worry.
But in case you want me to
reminded
explain, Pima, I fit tell you the reason.
No, it's not necessary now. I understand you.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
You are very okay.
Very okay.
You are very okay.
Very, very okay.
You see, why you dey complain? Why you dey complain, Pima? She will not die before her time. You know why? I dey here to help her.
Yes. Thank you.
You know the wine. Stop drinking the wine.
Okay, I should know the
Yes, anything. Just no eat past 4.
I just took one.
Yes,
2. Are you counting it for me?
What did you say?
A lot has changed. We all need to live in peace in this palace. That's all I want. Kamsi is actually a good girl. I just realized that. She is so harmless. And I think she deserves to live with us in this palace.
Isioma.
Yes, my king and my lord.
Are you the one saying this? What happened?
Let's just say that I am a changed person. Yes.
But you left me in Abuja all because of Kamsi's matter.
I cannot stop saying sorry for that incident. But I hope you slept well that night.
Everything is baffling. You nearly killed me.
I cannot kill my king. There is a tremendous change. So many things have changed. And people have changed too. Actually, I need to show you something. Something that will marvel you. Something that will startle you.
Come on. You want to show me something?
Come on.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, sweet angel. How was your night?
Okay. Good morning, Dad.
Good morning.
Did you sleep well, Dad?
Yes, I did. You are dressed in your bed all by yourself. Where are the maids?
It's nobody's job. I can do my bed.
She actually does her laundry herself. You won't believe it.
I can't believe this. You do all of these?
Yes, Dad. It's not that deep. And there are lots more.
Impressive.
My king, I sincerely want to use this medium to apologize for all the wrongs I have done you, and especially the ones I did to that innocent girl, Kamsi. I was too hard on her. I couldn't see the good in her, and especially in her character. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you.
Male, good evening, ma. Good evening. Ma, what's your person there?
Princess, come to Bamba. It's not Umunna. 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 Her boyfriend left her. Her boyfriend left her.
You mad? Because a man leave you now, you cry, they craze. How you gonna cry because a man break your heart? You don't see 2 by 2 10 knock your head come up for road. At your age, that man they break your heart. You know the shame.
Come on, don't you know the meaning of love?
Which one is love?
You know, during our own time, what is love? The man will just come to your parents, pay your bride price, carry you and go home. You start having children. Awesome love.
Mama, I better leave that in old car, go talk. That one I old in this talk. I better leave that in. What do they talk about? You say what you want to say something just now. What do you say?
Mama promised to take my brother away from her. And she did.
But no, who that Mama not the boyfriend? Who be the boy?
He's my brother.
What is it? My brother! Oh, it's my brother! What is going on? Princess! What is
I'm okay. Stand up, yes. Make her show me your brother. Where the brother? Where the brother? He go come beg you. Show me you say break your heart. This one will come beg you, the Chris. At your age, now, go show me.
Yay! Ain't no problem. You see what you've cost. You see what you've cost.
Mama, it's not my fault. It's not Nana that caused all these things.
Continue crying. You are crying over a man.
Why wouldn't I cry?
I'm in
love. I'm in love.
I'm saying love. Instead of you to go look for what to do, someone says you are looking for love. Instead of looking for a job, go and get yourself busy. Besides, you can't eat. Just go and eat. You're here starving yourself. I'm sure that boy is somewhere eating good food or even toasting another girl.
Mama, I'm not eating. I don't want to eat. Let me cry for my Nana.
Nana is here. Toasting another woman. You are crying.
The princess has involved in this matter. Nana must come back and beg me.
I thought she came to your house.
Yes, Your Highness. She came to my house but later left. You know, Kamsi is always off and on. I don't know where she is. I don't know.
And she's equally not here. If she's not in your house and she's not here, where then could she be? I want to ask you something. Are you having an affair with my daughter?
God forbid. We are just casual friends, and nothing more. We are just casual friends.
Casual friends. In that case, you are going to do me a favor. And that favor is that you're going to help me and talk to her to start dressing like a woman that she is. She should learn to dress properly. And know as a friend, she listens to you. Can you do that for me?
I will try, sir. I will.
In addition to that, you said both of you are friends. So you should be able to impact good morals on each other. Not just coming together and you talk, you play, you laugh, and then that's all. That's what friendship should be all about.
I will try my best, sir. I feel go.
You may go.
I'll be in my room.
What's that?
You said your fiancé was coming to see me today.
Oh, he will come. I just finished speaking with him. Expect him soon.
My king.
I'm beginning to be proud of her.
Well. All that being said, my king, let's get to the room so I will massage you. You need it because you had a long day.
No.
What do you mean?
I don't want that. I don't want that to lead to something else.
Huh?
It's got to lead to something else.
Lead to something else? Let it lead to something else. What am I here for?
No, don't come close to me.
A king like you cannot refuse a queen of my pedigree. Let's go.
want you. You're the only woman I want right now in my life.
God almighty.
Please, don't say no to me. I know I promised not to cross the line, but you see, I just cannot hold it anymore. Kamsi, you're the most beautiful thing that has ever happened to my life. You see, the few time we spent together has already made me feel that we are spending our lifetime together. Kamsi, I love you.
I feel me, I beg. Just get body they do.
And I truly love you and I want you. Please.
They talk this Kenty again. I don't like her. It's just the way body they hate. God almighty. Hey, Kenty don't lose his teeth because of
It's
lines.
because I'm sincere.
I know, but say, God almighty. Fucking man. See, man, I tell you, I don't know how body they do me. Just they be like, say maybe. See, guy, I know the guy, man, don't feel guy me now. Guy,
You already fall in love, right?
I don't know that I lose my teeth. Just like say I want to check my
Yes. Just say it. Say it out of your mouth. Just say it.
Down.
I mean, every word
Hi,
I'm saying.
No, my sister be that. What should they do for you?
You know her?
No, my sister. What should they do for you?
What is it? What happened? Talk to me. What is it? I am your mother. Speak, baby girl. Speak. You're crying. What? Talk to me. Collins is gone.
I just saw him holding hands with Kamsi. And I can't do anything about it. She's taking my man away from me.
Why? Why? Why have you grown this cold? What is going on? This is definitely not the Chetachi that I gave birth to. This is not you. What happened? Why have you so... What is wrong with you? Listen to me. This is not you. I am sure this is not you. You sponsored Collins to travel abroad and you are here crying, shedding tears because of him? Why so cold? Why? Okay, come here, baby girl. I am your mother. You know that I love you. I wish you everything good. I wish you progress. I wish you success. You can talk to me about anything. Is there something I should know about? Say it. Say it, yes. She caught me sleeping. We don't know. It was a mistake. I didn't mean it. It was a mistake. I
thought that was the only way to convince the king to chase her away.
You slept with Ono.
About to. I did. About to. She has the video.
Huh?
I'm helpless. My life is gone. Collins is gone. Everything is gone. Everything is gone. How the mighty has fallen. Everything is gone.
Wonder. I will do this, regardless of the fact that it is a disposition. I crave your indulgence. Please, do this for me. And anything you want, I will provide it. And I will equally change your life and the life of your entire family. I'd like you to speak to Kamsi on my behalf. Tell her not to hurt my daughter, her stepsister, by taking away the only man my daughter has ever loved. Please, do this for me. I'll be on my way now.
I don't agree.
Why your body dey leave your sister boyfriend now?
What you my new person boyfriend? Person when they talk to me for the first time in my life, body they do me somehow. Body they tingle me. Now you they tell me say make I leave. No, they talk that kind. I no like.
But now your stepsister boyfriend now. Do you want to wrong your sister? Leave the bobo now.
I don't know the one way be your own. Don't make me vex. So just stop all this thing where you they talk. Which kind of talk come down one?
Wait, him don't register.
Register with.
You don't give him.
No, you person wey just dey start now you dey tell me something around you.
So
I tell you something they talk to me. They tell me say body they do me somehow. They tell me say make I leave.
So if you never register, it's still there early now. Leave her for your sister's sake now.
I don't leave her. You know say first time in my life when man they tell me hi. How many man don't tell me hi since when you know me? First time when person they tell me hi, they tell me say make I leave. If I leave, I make I bend. I don't go try and lie. Ha! Person me when they see myself guy yo. Not be guy like me that you be. Two of us the guy ourselves. All of a sudden that person tell me you are a babe. You are a babe. Ah.
HM governor, what can you do?
No, I don't do that
No,
kind
but sorry, man.
Omina, if you see as the boy they tell me today, he just can't now. He looks so sumptuous.
Where they go? If I had not you, cover here. I resemble the boy for your eye.
Collins, please, I am begging you. Collins, please don't leave me, please. You know I love you. Please don't do this to me, please, I beg you. You are my life, my everything. Without you, I'm nothing. Baby, please don't leave me. You're the only thing I have in this world. Please, don't leave me.
Tatachi, I am sorry.
Don't tell me you're sorry, Collins. Tell me you love me. Tell me you'll be here for me. Tell me you're not leaving me. Please, I'm begging you. You're the only one I have.
You are my all. You taught me everything I know. Please, Collins, don't leave me. I beg you. I beg you.
The truth is that I truly love your sister. I want to marry her. She's the one my heart belongs to.
No, you can't love her. You can't. You have the one you love. You can't love her. You can't.
You never loved me. You hate me so much to the extent that I was thinking of living this life for you. But no, I'm not going to live this life for you. Instead, you will live for me. Collins is mine.
Come in.
My princess, Mr. Collins is down at the sitting room waiting for you.
Okay. Tell him I'll be there in a jiffy. Collins. And Kamsi. Together.
Babe, so Kamsin is your sister.
Yes.
Whoa! What a funny word. I mean, you mean she's your sister? I can never imagine her being a princess. I mean, an African princess. Where I met her on the road on my first day to the palace. Can you imagine your sister helped me fix my car? I must confess, your sister is indeed full of talent.
I see. So what next?
Babe, what do you mean?
Please don't
Are
lie
you
to me.
saying I'm dating your sister? I mean, we're dating.
What are you doing?
Whoa, babe, come on. What are you saying? What are you talking about?
What are you doing with my sister?
Babe, no. See, we are just friends. I mean, friends, nothing more than friends.
Friends?
Yes.
Friends?
Babe, yes, what is going on? Talk to me. Babe! Cheta! Babe! What's going on? I mean, is she okay?
Hold on. Come. I was really rushing home to come and meet you.
Eh.
Do you want to finish me in this village? Huh? Do you want them to stone me to death? Or do you want the gods to strike me to death? Which one do you want?
Papa, me, I don't understand. Which one is stone you to death? The god strike. What happened?
Hold on, ma.
Eh?
Princess Kamsi said that she is giving you 48 hours. 48 hours to undo what you did to that boy. I don't know what you did to that boy, but please, I want you to undo it. Please.
Esma, what will happen? Eh? I didn't do anything to anybody. Yes. Me and that boy, we're in love. He loves me. I love him. And yes, we're going to even get married very soon.
Olo Mabiko, please, Anama Yogi, in the name of the gods, undo what you did to that boy. Don't love him. Let him not love you. Please, let him go. Please.
Papa, me, I don't even understand. What is Princess Kamsi's interest in my love life? Why? It's not as if she's even the president of the youth in this community. So why is she interfering in my love life, Papa? Why?
Hi. Hey. Oh, Jimmy. What kind of problem is this? Huh?
Papa, me, I want to go. Because me, I'm not doing anything. I will not undo anything. It's none of my business. I don't do anything.
Hey! I'm finished. Huh? It's not like I'm going to go to the Huh? Hey!
Like I told you, when I came, they never wanted to accept.
They have a beautiful daughter, so what do you expect?
My queen is
Oh yes. Give me a glass of juice.
So,
they have a beautiful daughter, so what do you expect?
I'll forget that.
They should give you their daughter just like that.
That's the case I was royal, because I'm royal, so you know what that means.
That's a pass. Oh, pass. That's a pass. You don't keep breakfast now?
No.
Thank you.
Like I was saying, it's not because you were so beautiful, because I'm royal.
Am I not beautiful? Yes, I am a beautiful woman.
I want to do that.
I am telling myself.
What did happen for you? Hey, don't be smarty. Blanda just enjoy herself. Don't be smarty now. Hey, Male.
How are you? How are you?
Are they fine? How are you doing?
I hope you're good. Yeah, I'm fine.
Are they fine? So you dey enjoy? Now I call this.
Drop that thing for your stepmom.
No, don't worry, my lord.
Don't tell me that. How dare you?
No. Allow her to enjoy herself.
People are not the best now. What be that?
Yes.
There's love is sharing.
Exactly. Allow her to enjoy herself.
Allow her to enjoy herself, I beg.
I hope you like the drink.
I like her.
Come see.
May I give the ghost? Ghost of alarm. Ghost of alarm.
Good. Anything.
Will you drop that thing and get out of here?
Hey man, no they do that kind of thing. You understand? If you guy man, leave her. She knows what she's doing. Well, not be good woman.
Good woman.
Another one there, go.
Enjoy yourself. Anything, baby girl. No, Kamsi is a growing girl. All these things she's doing is just due to juvenile delinquency, you know, that kind of thing that comes to girls during their adolescent stage. It's alright. Ada! Please.
Hi, sis.
Hey!
I don't know, Interpol.
Don't be smarting. How far you smoke?
No, sis. I did not.
You sure?
I swear, I did not.
You sure say no smoke? Sure.
Smell. Can you smell anything? Can you perceive anything? I'm done with all of that.
Sure say no quick smoke because I recall.
No. Like I said, I'm done with all of that. The zeal is gone.
I know you're going to talk side of discipline. So say I no discipline you by now. If I don't scatter everywhere. Sure you know?
Yeah, I know.
You don't chop. Don't worry yourself. If not about that this day, I don't delete her. If you carry my phone, check her. I don't delete her. I don't delete her. If not about that one, I don't delete her.
Are you sure?
I be you like who they lie. To talk something they had me, but if I talk and I say it be.
And you will not tell Dad?
I'll not be small picking now. That's how the verse for you. I want that they tell Daddy not to bring you down. I know they do like that.
Thank you.
May your change be permanent. You need that for yourself, so you understand. I beg come show me clothes where I go. I want to go see my friend.
Oh, really?
I want make I do very fine. Make him foresee say I did well. So we go help me
Trust me, I got you.
Okay.
She's going out with my boyfriend.
Mama, that's how it all happened. And since then, she has been blackmailing me, Mom. I don't know what to do, Mom. This is unbelievable. How do we go? Mom, my life is over. No, don't say. My life is shattered, Mom. I'm a shadow of myself. Don't say. I don't know what to do. Stand for me. Mom, promise me you will stand for me like you always do. My wings and my ego is broken, Mom. I don't know what to do. Broken, Mom. Please help me. Mom, please help me. Mom, please. I beg you, Mom. Please help me.
I will help you. But I'm equally guilty.
Guilty? How? What are you guilty about? What is it? What are you guilty about, Mom? What are you guilty?
She caught me kissing the gym instructor.
What? Don't shout. Your father is downstairs. How could you? Mama, how could you? How could you cheat on my father? How could you do that? No, it's not like that.
It was a harmless kiss. I was drunk.
And your father made me angry too.
We are finished. No, we are not. Mama, we are finished.
There's nothing we can do. She has all the powers. There's nothing we can do. She has all the control, all the powers. Mama, there's nothing to do. There's nothing to do anymore.
She will take your money away.
Collins. And Collins has not been picking my calls. I don't know, Mom. He has not been picking my calls, though. What do I do?
It's all my fault. It's all my fault. I'm guilty of all those things. I'm not proud of all the things I did. Not any of them. I should have taken her as my daughter. But I did not. And everything boils down to what is happening to us right now. This is a payback time. She's trying to pay us back.
Mama, I don't want to lose Collins. He's my life. I don't want to lose him. He's the only thing I have. The only genuine thing I have, Mom.
Okay. Where is your phone?
I've been calling him. He's not picking my calls. And that's what I'm trying to tell you. He's not picking my call. And it's very, very unusual.
Let's try again. Where's your...
Nebikon, Bikone, I beg. Give me that leave. Give me the leave, please. Because then, I beg.
I don't understand you. Calm down now. What is happening?
Eze is leaving me for Amaka. My marriage is about to crash. In fact, all crash go.
Hey?
Please give me the leave.
Your marriage is about to crash. Come. Did you sleep with him when you're on your period? Eh? Ah! Oh! You were not supposed to sleep with him when you're on your period. Now he has gone back to his senses.
I forgot, but you need to help me. You still need to help me. Eh? I already have a baby for him. I don't want this marriage to crash. Oh. Please, you need to just do me a favor by giving it to me. I'm your friend. You are my friend. Give it to me, please.
It's okay. It's okay, no problem. I will. I will try.
Thank you.
But don't sleep with him again when you're on your period.
I will not. I promise. Thank you. No problem.
Yes, let's go.
Thank you. Oh.
Kamsi. Why is she not picking her calls? Person go to call you, no go know why they call you, no go pick your call. Very annoying behavior.
Nana, please now, please. Don't do this to me. After all we have been through. Nana, it's me, Ada. Please.
You're embarrassing me.
Nana, please, come, let's go home.
You're embarrassing me.
This is not you.
You're embarrassing me. I hate you.
You hate me?
Is that hard to understand? Yeah, you're not my type of woman. Please.
Me? It's okay. It's okay.
Nana.
Ada, come and go. Come, see, I will kill you. Sure you know you're in my father's house. And you are very, very close to me. I will kill you if you don't get out of here.
Uloma, if you want to kill me, kill me. Kill me. I will not live here without my man. I will not live here without Nana.
Stop saying that rubbish.
Nana, please, no.
Don't talk this bullshit for your man. You don't have your man.
Please.
If you see your man, won't you recognize your man?
I know my man. It's you.
How am I your man?
Hey, you've heard it from my bobo. Eh?
I will not live here.
Papa.
What is going on here?
Papa, nothing, no.
Nah, it's a lie, yo. It's a lie. Nana here is my man. He loves me and I love him too. All of a sudden, I don't know what your daughter did to him. He cut off our relationship. This is a man that have said he will even marry me. Eh? He said I should go, that he's not your daughter that he loves. What did you do to him? Eh?
You're saying rubbish.
What do you mean?
What did I do? Papa, I didn't do anything to him. He saw me and he loved me. And we are dating. Papa, do I even look fetish to you? I look like somebody that can do anything to anybody.
Oloma, you said he saw you and fell in love with you.
Ow.
Nana,
do
you love my daughter?
To death do us part.
I will know.
Nana.
Ada, just get up. Clean your tears. Get up, wait for me. Stop crying, clean your tears.
But she should go now.
You are embarrassing me.
I will not live without Nana.
You are embarrassing me.
Nana, we don't live here
You are
without
embarrassing
you.
me.
Nana, we don't live here without you today.
Who am I to you?
You are my man.
No, don't talk this kind of bullshit. You can't nonsense with that one. I take your man.
Don't worry.
Leave my man for me. I'm warning you. Leave my man for me. Leave my man for me. I'm telling you, I will not see. I will not live here without you, Nana. Nana, we not.
You are embarrassing me.
Nana, this is naughty. Nana. I'm telling you, I will not see. I will not live here without you, Nana.
Do you still love my daughter?
What am I doing here? Hey.
Nana.
Nah, it's me now.
Nani, how did you do it? Nani, thank you very much. Thank you.
Don't touch me. Don't try it.
Come on, stay away. Are you mad? Are you mad?
What am I doing here? Babe. What happened? What am I doing here?
Don't worry.
What did I do for you?
Don't worry. When we get home, I'll explain everything to you.
Don't worry. Uloma, your love.
Come on, leave him alone. Now, please, let's go home. Oh, Onyo Shamu, look at her. I will deal with you in this village. Now, let's go.
Papa, what have you done? What have you done?
Shut up, Olo.
Papa.
You are a disgrace to this community. I am the know of this kingdom. Come on, I got your cocoa. So we or come on, I have honey nego hana babrofu. We cannot be chasing fowl and match the goat to death.
Papa, I told you I don't do anything. He loves me.
Don't worry. I will mobilize the youth to take care of you. They will deal with you very seriously.
Papa, I don't like what you just did. Papa, I don't like what you did.
Yeah, family. How you doing?
Where are you coming from? Why did they pick my call? You sell your food. I didn't hear they call you since. They call you since. You don't know why they call you. Yet you know they pick your call.
I mean, they charge my phone for inside motor now.
They charge your phone.
Why you dey para?
Why I no go para? Do you know how painful it is? Person go to call your phone, you know go to answer call.
Since when who say I know they pick my call, come be problem give you. Even I say you dey bad mood, I make a dey go. I no fit.
Okay, you want to go? I dey talk with you happen. You want to go?
I want to go now.
No problem, they go. Just they go first. I love you. I don't know whether I love they do me this thing. If I call you, if you no pick, I go to verse. If I don't hear your voice, you go to do me. My body go there. I know we'll get peace. I don't know what thing they bring this one. Whether I don't fall in love, I don't know. That's all the thing they do. No, if I call you, they pick up my bag. They pick up. You don't chop. Sit down, I bring food for me. I cook. Next time they pick my bag.
You are there, they drop some kind of things.
Please, have fun.
Then you guys this meet.
Yes.
So you go until you not call me, my guy. Che, Una, what I see now? Mine is at everybody now.
So job.
Mine is at everybody.
Bring that thing, my person get them.
Your papa, yeah, my roaster now. There's nothing there inside. You get me?
Everything will be play. Come, my person get that thing.
Forget that thing. Leave that thing. Let her go see. Yeah? Let her, my guy, will go see.
Yeah. No problem.
Ah! My guy!
Where is my bushmeat? To stop. Who's your guy?
Forget that thing. Now they calm down. I don't chop her. My kid.
You don't chop her? Today I bet they are waiting.
Don't chop her.
Give me my bushmeat.
You kill your friend.
Idiot. What sort of nonsense is this? You are abusing friendship. You are abusing friendship. Do you know what I went through in the heads of Eze because of that bushmeat? Are you aware?
Calm down.
What's calm down?
Because of common bushmeat, now you just...
Give me the money. Give me the money.
You forget to be your princess.
Give me the money. Princess my foot. Being a princess does not give you the license to stupidity. You must pay for that bushmeat.
You see?
What's this?
Princess Ozuko, it's okay. It's almost Ozuko.
She's pretending someone is crying after 5 hours.
She's not pretending, Melody.
Sorry for her, nonsense.
It's okay. Come and tell her sorry.
Oh, I check my sheep. My sheep still there. They were.
I didn't see any tears now. Which one is yours?
My face are
It's okay. It's okay.
It's my jaw still the same. My face are My face is red.
It's okay. Sorry. Omona, come and tell her sorry. It's okay. Your face is still the same. Omona!
This is trouble, trouble in the palace. Princess come see, wahala in the palace. This not trouble, trouble in the palace. Wahala, wahala in the palace. Sapele wali she don't say, she don't see your face. Sapele wali she don't say, she don't see your face. This is trouble, trouble in the palace.
Hi, princess. Drink.
Drop it there. Are you okay?
I cannot be okay. But I know that I have offended you and offended your father. Please, I am sorry. I know I was engulfed by hatred. Hatred on you for doing nothing to me. You are a good girl. But now everything has changed. Please, my daughter. I now see you as my daughter, but I want you to do me a favor. Do not let your father know anything about what you saw. Let's keep this secret between us. Because
it's okay. It's okay. I know you hated me, but that was in the past. I won't say anything to anyone.
oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Please do not tell your father you kissed.
There are things you go to the grave with. This is one of it.
Oh God.
I've promised you and I've given you my word. I will not tell my father.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sure. I don't tell you now. I know they worry. Now you can cry. When a normal thing, they keep secrets. Not this English thing when they help me do. Not to do my body like that.
Thank you. Thank you. Please, my husband, please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you.
Will you leave my leg
Please,
now?
Please, I'm begging you.
Leave me.
My king. Please, I'm begging you.
You. Guards! Guards!
My king.
Season! Pin him down!
Down! What is going on? What is going on?
No.
Give me one reason why I should not have your head cut off. Speak!
My king, you are right to do to me whatever you want to do to me. But it is not her fault. I deserve no mercy. I was supposed to be a father to Princess Shetashi. To rebuke anything that will make me enter Princess Shetashi. Even not only her, any woman that is not my wife. But Akwamiko Emegomaro.
Okay, I trusted you. I'm talking. I trusted you with the royal trust. But what did you do? You betrayed it. You betrayed the trust.
Your Majesty, please. Please calm your wrath. Biko.
My king, please. He did not do it. Yes, he did not. He did not succeed.
Now I see why suddenly all of you turned saint. Showing care, showing love and kindness to Kamsi. Because she got you bent down with her. Do you know what you have brought upon yourself? Do you know what you have brought upon yourself?
Father, it's all my fault. I'm sorry. Even though I did not do it, I was about to. So you're right in condemning me. You're justified in anything you do to me. I do not deserve to be called your daughter. I'm ready for any punishment you bestow on me, Father.
My king, I cannot stop you the guilt, but it is better you pass the judgment on me now than to harbor the pain in your heart. My king, Akwamiko na ato tomano neme madaro. Akwamiko emego maro, my king. Biko. Akwamiko na ato to. Hi, my king, Biko.
All my life, I have always wanted everything. Everything that I ever desired. As a princess, I thought I am entitled to love and be loved. Collins, you're getting married to my stepsister.
Princess!
Let me finish. Everyone have the kind of woman they desire. Maybe I'm not that woman for you. I am a princess. My personality and my pride will never let me beg for love. Because I am love. I am happiness. And I believe I want more than gold and silver. I love you. I love you with everything in me. You taught me everything I ever know. The club, the parties, the smoke. You even deflowered me. just want to say thank you for being part of my life once upon a time.
So, young man, which of my daughters are you here for? Which of them do you want to marry? You can see how beautiful they are looking.
Colin.
My king.
Yeah.
My queen. My princess. And to the elders of this great kingdom. I want to boldly state this without any fear, pity, or favor. I have found a true queen, a friend, a companion, a mother, and a wife all to myself. Your Majesty, that is why I am here to humbly seek the hand of Princess
Okay.
Chetachi and in marriage. Your Majesty, I humbly ask you bless us and grant my humble request.
Please come here for your blessings.
Go.
Come.
Now single, no keep person. As I don't see man, I go rest.
Never. You're always in my mind. Come here.
You don't do, man. I know they do this kind of thing for front of my papa the Igwe. It's very bad. If not, she said, we'll continue. We know so that they do. When they go, I'm going to show myself for front of my papa. Body the pepper singles too much, my queen. Body the pepper singles. That's only the beauty. Nothing go for a blessing. Back to square one.
You're not.
Yeah.
You're my
Hey,
forever.
come let's find me remains. So that's very good. It's well. Single progress. Single progress.
Today, I bless both of you.
You say,
your marriage will continue to be fruitful.
you say,
You will have as many children as you want.
you say,
You are blessed today.
you say,
And above all, you will continue to have peace in your marriage.
you say.
You may rise.
You see. She's actually now. Very happy now. Man, don't hold your hand. Me now, don't be single Pringles. Ah, my guy! I do. I'm just a mom, my singlehood. I don't say man go come for me. My prima pale. You know say this guy now won't my guy. Me and my guy. So I won't marry my best friend. I'm just saying a singlehood I go remain. I don't know if person don't cut to. I mean you don't cut us on now. Me and them, I tell you, they naked together. We know they nothing. We know nothing. They rise. We are there, mama. And my guy is man.
I have decided to take the risk.
Oh no, I be risk.
Please, you two come for your blessings.
Oh,
this is a good day.
Oh, boy, which one?
Sorry. I believe that.
Can't see. Sorry.
Today, I bless both of you. Your marriage will grow. You will have as many children as you want. No external factors are permitted to come in between two of you. You will have your own family, blessed. And above all, I give you peace. This is my blessings to you. You may rise.
So why come and left my hand from that?
Nah, love, man. Who will cast ourselves?
Who give you see it away you again? Now what takes me? You don't see it as a
Today, I am grateful for this remarkable day. I'm very grateful to God for giving me an opportunity to witness my two daughters becoming wives. I prayed for this, and I am happy I'm alive to see it come to pass. May the gods be praised.
I did one place, I'm not behind this.
Do one place?
Hey!
To the queen, sit down one place.
Which can't talk on this one?
I never pay bride price. Don't stress me.
Me, I never agreed to marry you. May you know your TC, I don't agree to marry you. You can't talk on that one.
The journey not surviving you there.
If not like that, we go die for this marriage. You respect yourself. I just smile for front of my family.
I know one trouble, but when trouble come, I go chase down with my full heart. This is trouble, trouble in the palace. Princess come see, wahala in the palace. This not trouble, trouble in the palace. Wahala in the palace. Sapele walige, she don't say, she don't see your face. Sapele walige, she don't say, she don't see your face. This is trouble, trouble in the palace. Princess come see, wahala in the palace. This not trouble, trouble in the palace. Wahala in the palace. Sapele walige, she don't say, she don't see your face. This sapele, she don't say.